Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Amazon Chimes account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Amazon Chimes account, firstly open your Google search. Type in amazonchime.com and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link shown on the page. The official page of Amazon Chime will appear on the screen. Enter your email address and click on Sign In Sign Up option. It will take you to the sign in page of Amazon Chime. Click on Create a new Amazon account. On the next page, to create an account, enter your first and last name and your email address. Create a password for your Amazon Chimes account. Make sure that your password must contain at least 6 characters in it. Click on Show Password option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not, and tap on Create your Amazon Chime account. By creating an account, you will agree to the terms and conditions of Amazon Chime. This is how you can sign up for your Amazon Chimes account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.